Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the thumbnail, as you can tell by the title, this video is going to be of me getting one of my most wanted portrait tattoos that I wanted ever since I got my Michael Myers portrait, which was like 3-4 years ago now, which is crazy to me. But in today's video, I am going to be heading to Lightning Revival Tattoo in Byron Center. I have an appointment with Matt Nelson, and he is going to be tattooing Chucky's portrait on me. I am so excited. If you guys watched my portrait tattoos that I want, I said the very next portrait that I want is of Chucky, and finally, all of my dreams have come true. So if you want to see me get that tattoo, here is the footage now. I am so excited about it. I am so happy with it. He looks so freaking cute, and not even kidding you guys. So my appointment was for Saturday night at 9:30 p.m. I went there and I did not get home until 5:30 a.m. So me, the tattoo artist, the guest artist, we were all there all night tattooing. It was such a good time, but I was so exhausted. Let's head to Lightning Revival right now and get started. There's Chucky. Yes. so worth it. And for those of you who are going to ask, yes, it hurt like a bitch. It hurt so bad. Like the first beginning of it, you know, I was fine, and then as like maybe the last 2 hours or so, I was like, oh my god, ow, this hurts so bad. It's been about 3-4 days since I have gotten the tattoo, and here's what it is looking like now. Sorry about the glare. I do have the Sanoderm on it right now, but there is my Chucky portrait. I am so excited. So it is still healing, obviously, which is why I have the Tegaderm on, and I will have this on until probably Saturday, Friday or Saturday, and then I will take it off and it'll do all of the healing and peeling underneath this Sanoderm. But there it is. It looks so, so good. Matt absolutely killed this tattoo. I am in love with it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have never heard of Lightning Revival, if you have never heard of Matt Nelson Tattoos, what are you even doing with your life? Head over to Instagram and check out his Instagram. I will put his handle right here so you guys can go and find him. Check out all of his other work. I'm so proud of this tattoo. I'm proud of my shops. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you go down, give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned because I have many more tattoos coming your way in the future, and I am very excited to film all of them and pretty much share this awesome journey with you guys. I love you and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!